We've got our full-size mock-up door with our HD box track and hardware. It's also got the soft close in it as well. Just kind of want to show you how well this works. We leave it, we set it up to where there's an inch from the edge of the door to the rough framing, so that you can put a 3/4 slam jam and have a 1/4 inch shim space. And when it goes back into the pocket, it stays extended out 3/4 of an inch from our frame here, so that when you put your 3/4 trim on, that it's flush with the door. You'll notice that our guide is still back behind the end of the door there, and so that stays completely covered. This system has automatic stops that are placed up into the track to where the door bumps into that, can't go back any further. And the same way on the other end, there's a stop right there to soften everything up. So this is our 2x6 wall display with the HD box track and hardware, soft close.